Another one.
Flood warning in effect until 8:30 p.m. this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected.
Another flood warning.
Portions of central and southern New Jersey, including the
Wow,
following counties
insane.
in central New Jersey, Mercer and Monmouth.
Incredible.
In southern New Jersey, Burlington. When? Until 8:30 p.m.
Wow, another flood warning.
Flooding of rivers, creeks,
You didn't go off,
and
you
other
only went
low-lying
off
and
2
flood-prone
times.
locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details. At 4:27 p.m., flooding was ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have
2 and
fallen.
4 inches.
For Crosswicks Creek at Dixonville, at 4:15 p.m., the stage was 12.76
Oh my
feet.
god.
Flood stage is 12 feet.
No.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Dude, what? No way. Double header! Oh my god. No way, we got a double header. What the heck? A double header flood warning. What? A double header flood warning.
8:30 p.m. this evening.
What the heck?
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following county.
Bro, what the
Sussex.
heck? A double header? What the heck?
PM.
Another double header, dude.
Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams,
Bro, we got
and
another
other
double
low-lying
header.
and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring.
What the
Additional
heck?
details. At 4:29 p.m., flooding was ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain
3 and
have
5
fallen.
inches of rain.
For Floodbrook at Floodbrookville, at 4:15 p.m., the stage was 6 points.
It's not even raining in my area, dude.
Stage is 6 feet.
It's not even raining in my area, bro. I'm still getting alerts. What the heck?
Safety slash.
What?
Flood turnaround.
This is
Don't travel when
incredible.
encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What the heck, dude? What?
Flood warning now in effect until 9:45 p.m. this evening.